Nature's Promise Farm has seen every extreme of weather, and today's video shows the periphery of Hurricane Harvey. Timing is everything when it comes to planting, harvesting, and caring for our crops. Mother Nature can be unpredictable, and farming happens in rain and shine. We need both to grow good, real food. Meet Farmer Steve, donned in rain gear, ready to harvest green beans from our garden. The fields are so muddy that it's easier for me to wear yoga socks than boots. The rain from Hurricane Harvey beat down the crops into the mud, which pulls the roots up, destroys blossoms, and nearly drowns them. It's a messy, windy, kind of a cold picking day, but Farmer Steve never complains. I really admire that about him. Even on the hottest of days of summer with an intense heat and high humidity, or when it's cold and rainy, or when he has to go work the ground and it's completely frozen solid, he works hard and he always finds joy in his work. He truly is a farmer that's, alas, the dying breed of those who love to work with their hands and care about their work and bring high quality, healthy foods to market. He thinks I'm being silly to get footage of this, but I feel it's important to share how much goes into small-scale, biodiverse farming, even when elements of weather aren't so desirable. Who really takes the time to consider all the work and preparation that goes into getting organic food from farm to table? Farmer Steve is picking beans and then lifts the plants that have been rain-pounded into the ground and packs mud around them to help them survive the onslaught of Mother Nature. Time to pull the stuck boots out of the mud and head to the house to wash the buckets of green beans so we can bring them to market. It's fun knowing that individuals and families will receive nourishment from real food, free of pesticides and chemicals, that we toiled to plant, grow, and harvest at Nature's Promise Farm, no matter what the weather brings. I don't know about you, but I love my farmer, and I love the fact that he produces real food, free of chemicals and pesticides and anything unnatural.
Know your farmer. Real food.